Specialist On Call is a company that has really focused on creating a solution to provide specialty physician talent to hospitals on a national basis, using a lot of the principles that were defined in the early days of telemedicine and help lots of hospitals and lots of patients in a way that reduces costs and improves quality.
And we are able to use Microsoft Dynamics to quickly adapt new specialties into new areas and service deliveries to our hospitals. The biggest concern that I have being in operations from day-to-day basis is the continuing scalability of any solutions that we introduce, as well as our business services as a whole. Specialist On Call has chosen Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online for several reasons. We have chosen the clouded technology for most of our IS services so that we could focus on our core business and not actually have to procure large amounts of equipment, so it frees up resources and the like for focusing on services delivered to our hospital as opposed to our information systems.
Specialist On Call decided to move away from Salesforce.com to Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online to garner better acceptance from our sales force. They were finding it difficult to use Salesforce.com because it was so different from what they're used to using, which is the Microsoft tools. To deploy Microsoft Dynamics CRM in the cloud for a number of different reasons. First and foremost, it's cost-effective for a small business to deploy in the cloud. We can then take our efforts and focus them on workflow and process and be able to extend the clouded architecture to better fit our needs.
Specialist On Call was able to generate an ROI for Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online fairly quickly. It started off with our Salesforce automation and very quickly moved our clinical system and clinical team into the system as well, into Microsoft Dynamics Online. We grew so fast as a business with the consult volume and services that we provide to our hospitals that the system was able to grow with us and to show that we were able to reduce our cost per delivery on each interaction that we had with our patients.
Microsoft CRM Online allows Specialist On Call to manage all the patient records in one location. All of our doctors can enter Microsoft CRM Online and enter in consult data as the consult is happening. So we're capturing real-time data as the patient is being cared for. We're able to use that data in a much more effective fashion than we were in the past.
We've now tied the system to other of our management tools and other of our financial tools. So today, the system then links to our financial projections, our equipment ordering, and our implementation process.
We are changing the way medicine is done. And what Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online is helping us do is to take us to that next level. We are now streamlining things to become so efficient that we're going to be able to provide our service and scale in a way that will change the way healthcare is done in this country.